Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream and cream cheese frosting. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients for each, then move on to the mixing process. You'll learn the key techniques to achieve perfect consistency every time, whether you prefer a light, airy topping or a rich, decadent spread. Get ready to elevate your desserts with these two versatile frostings. For perfect whipped cream, begin with 1 cup of very cold heavy cream, ideally with at least 36% milk fat. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and a half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whip on medium-high speed for about 3 to 5 minutes until soft, billowy peaks form. Be careful not to overwhip, or it will become grainy and separate. To make a luscious cream cheese frosting, ensure your 8 ounces of cream cheese and 1/2 cup of unsalted butter are softened to room temperature. Beat them together until completely smooth and creamy, about 2 minutes. Gradually add 2 to 3 cups of powdered sugar, 1 cup at a time, mixing well after each addition. Finish with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a delightful flavor. When choosing between these two, consider your dessert. Whipped cream, with its light and airy texture, is wonderful for fresh fruit, pies, or hot chocolate. It's best served immediately and kept refrigerated. Cream cheese frosting, being richer and more stable, is perfect for decorating cakes, cupcakes, and cookies, holding its shape beautifully for piping. Both are delicious, but serve different purposes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.